Hey guys, this is Kristen at Cookin' in the County, and today I am going to show you how to roast fiddleheads. Now, I'll give you some information on a fiddlehead if you don't know what that is, but here's a list of ingredients you're going to need to make these roasted fiddleheads.
All you're going to need is a pound of fresh fiddleheads, some olive oil, some capers, a couple lemons, melted butter, salt, pepper, and garlic.
Okay, now obviously all my main subscribers and watchers know exactly what I'm talking about when I talk about a fiddlehead, but some of you may not know what a fiddlehead is. So this is, let me get a long one. Okay, this is a fern that grows here in Maine. I'm not sure if it grows anywhere else. I haven't done tons of research on fiddleheads and I don't know a lot about fiddleheads. These grow by streams, brooks, and rivers. About late April, May, end of June-ish. This is a delicacy for sure in Maine. When it's fiddlehead season, people like freak out. They like drive on the sides of the roads and scale banks of rivers trying to find fiddleheads, and people sell them, and everybody's just like, did you get your fiddleheads? Did you get your fiddleheads? Honestly, I have never loved fiddleheads growing up as a child. They are typically boiled in water until they're extremely soft, and I just find them very like gooey. They're not gooey. Just really soft and mushy, okay? People will then drain them, add butter, salt, and pepper, and a lot of people like vinegar. I think an acid with fiddleheads really work. I feel like they are between like an asparagus, like texture of asparagus, but then flavor of spinach, sort of. These are great before boiled, chopped up and used like in quiches and stuff like an asparagus. I feel like they could be a great replacement in a recipe for an asparagus. But because they don't last long and people get tons and tons and tons of these, they need to be blanched, boiled in water with salt, and then blanch them for like 1 to 3 minutes. Cool them down with cold water, towel them all down, and then freeze them so you can eat them all winter long, okay? So, because I have never loved fiddleheads, and I love roasted asparagus, and I love roasted broccoli, I thought, why can't you roast fiddleheads? So this is the only way my husband will eat fiddleheads, other than fried fiddleheads. Now, to me, those are the ultimate, fried fiddleheads. They're dipped in batter and they're fried and you eat them with ranch dressing. Like, those are the ultimate to me, okay? I do not love the mushy fiddlehead. Other people will probably unsubscribe to me because fiddleheads are such a big deal here in Maine. Anyway, I talked enough about fiddleheads. We are going to roast fiddleheads, okay? So what I did was, these are all cleaned. You have to clean, they're outside, they're a fern, they're growing by the water. And they have these like weird little brown paper stuff on them. They need to be all rinsed really, really well. Then I boiled some water with salt and I blanched them for 2 minutes. I waited for the water to boil 2 minutes. Strained them, poured cold water over them, dried them out, and threw them in the refrigerator. Okay, so now I have a pound of fiddleheads, okay? I'm gonna throw them in my bowl. And we're gonna roast these. And they're gonna be amazing, okay? So here's my pound of fiddleheads. It's gonna be so easy, so simple. It's just as simple as basically boiling them. I'm just gonna add a little bit of olive oil, my house seasoning, salt, pepper, and a little bit of garlic. Now all we're gonna do is put these on the pan, oven at 425, and we're gonna roast these for about 20 minutes. But when they come out, we're gonna add some capers and lemon butter. They're gonna be so yummy, okay? So, just like you would roast broccoli or asparagus, you're just gonna put these on the pan. You want them to roast, so you don't want them like on top of each other, okay? And you can, after you have blanched and froze your fiddleheads, you still can roast them, but they have to thaw them and really soak out all the water, and they still will roast pretty decently. And I will still do that throughout the winter, just roast them. They're really best like fresh like this, but it will still work. Okay, so I'm gonna throw these in the oven, 425 for about 20 minutes. I'm gonna watch them. Okay, don't have them touching each other. We want them to roast. Okay, as soon as they come out, I'll show you. Okay, our fiddleheads are all roasted. Now you may think I've over roasted them, but I really haven't, because we're gonna put these in butter and some garlic and lemon, so it's going to soften them up again, okay? But seriously. You gotta try these. Now, don't unsubscribe to me and, you know, cry witchcraft because I haven't made the fiddleheads the way they're supposed to be made. You guys gotta try these because they are so yummy. So, we have a clean bowl here. I'm gonna put all our fiddleheads in here. Those are so good, you guys. They taste nothing like a fiddlehead. If you do not like the mushy boiled fiddleheads, you've got to try these, okay? I'm telling you the truth. Okay, so we're gonna throw these in our bowl. I'm gonna melt a stick of butter. And I've also juiced the juice of 2 lemons, okay? I'm not gonna probably use all of it, but I do want, I feel like fiddleheads are supposed to have a little bit of acid to them, okay? Also, we're gonna add about 2 tablespoons of capers, drained. You don't want the juice. I'm gonna do about 2 tablespoons, handful. Okay. Capers are like these little briny, salty, like little peas. They're kind of little snappy. Yum. Perfect for something like this. And warm melted butter. Just pour it over the top. Oh my gosh, you guys. See, now this is a way to eat a fiddlehead right here. It's yummy. It needs a little better. I'm gonna eat this whole bowl. Put it in a little bowl. Okay guys, there you have it, roasted fiddleheads. Now, if you're from Maine, I bet you already have your fiddleheads. If you're not from Maine and you really are interested in trying these weird fern fiddleheads, there's a company in Maine called Box of Maine, and he will mail these to you. I know he sells out really quick, but he has tons and tons. This is his business. He sells all products of Maine, and I know that he has some fiddleheads. So I will put it in the description below, and maybe you're gonna try these fiddleheads. I think you'll like them. Okay guys, I know I missed a video last week. I don't know what happened. I completely spaced. I was so busy I didn't even realize I had missed a complete video. Maybe I'll do another one this week so I can catch up. But if not, I will see you next week with a new video of something. I don't even know what. But as always, please consider subscribing, hitting the little bell button so you never miss a video, and giving me a big fat thumbs up if you like my videos. Thanks guys. Try the fiddleheads. They're yummy.